Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many of us have experienced at some point in our lives, the end of a friendship. It's never easy when a friendship comes to an end, but there are some important things to keep in mind to help navigate through this difficult time. So grab a cup of tea and let's dive right in. Number 1, it's okay to grieve. The first thing to remember when a friendship ends is that it's okay to grieve. Just like any other loss, the end of a friendship can bring up a lot of emotions like sadness, anger, confusion. Allow yourself to feel these emotions and give yourself permission to grieve the loss of the friendship. It's important to remember that it's okay to feel sad or upset when a friendship ends. Give yourself the time and space you need to process your emotions. Number 2, reflect on the relationship. The next thing to remember is to take some time to reflect on the relationship. Think about what went wrong, what you learned from the experience, and how you can grow from it. Reflecting on the relationship can help you gain closure and move forward. Journaling or talking to a trusted friend or therapist can be helpful ways to process your thoughts and emotions about the friendship. Number 3, set boundaries. When a friendship ends, it's important to set boundaries to protect yourself emotionally. This may mean limiting contact with the person or even cutting ties completely. Setting boundaries can help you heal and move forward without reopening old wounds. Remember that it's okay to prioritize your own well-being and set boundaries that feel right for you. Number 4, focus on self-care. Another important thing to remember when a friendship ends is to focus on self-care. Take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's spending time with loved ones, practicing yoga, or going for a walk in nature. Remember that taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's necessary for your well-being. Number 5, surround yourself with support. During this challenging time, it's important to surround yourself with support. Lean on friends, family members, or a support group who can offer a listening ear and a shoulder to lean on. Having a strong support system can help you feel less alone and more resilient. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it. Remember, you're not alone in this. Number 6, practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is another important thing to remember when a friendship ends. Holding on to anger or resentment towards the person can weigh you down and prevent you from moving forward. Practice forgiveness, not for the other person's sake, but for your own peace of mind. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning the other person's actions, it simply means releasing yourself from the burden of resentment. Number 7, embrace new beginnings. And finally, remember to embrace new beginnings. The end of a friendship may feel like the end of the world, but it's also an opportunity for growth and new experiences. Embrace the chance to meet new people, explore new hobbies, and create new memories. Remember that life is full of ups and downs, and every ending is also a new beginning.